Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Maypen interchange. So this is what we're looking at here, and we're going to give you a drone tour so you can get a good idea of what's going on. Now they blocked off this road here, the road that you're looking at, so we have to use the drone to give you an update. Alright, so this is the Maypen bypass. So basically they're building a major interchange, 4 exit lanes. Basically you can get on and off the highway from either side, and you'll exit here and come back out to the Maypen bypass, which is this road here. And you can see they've put in some Jersey barriers. Those are the concrete barricades to help with the flow of traffic. So if the extreme lane on the left is if you're going straight, coming from like toll gate, you just go straight on the left. So when you exit this road here, you can turn into the middle lane, and that will give you some time to merge with the other traffic. And the third lane on the bypass is if you're coming in the opposite direction, you just come down. Alright, so this is the road that leads you back to the highway. So let's say we go down this road, turn left, you get on the highway and head to Rio Mino, the Rio Mino bridge. Turn right, if you want to go right, you go under the underpass and then go on, turn right and head to Mandeville. If you're on the highway now and you want to exit and come into Maypen, you will use this road on the right. That's the ramp to take you off the highway. And then there's another one on the other side if you want to use that side of the road. So basically there are 4 ramps. So we're going to fly down now and show you what's going on down here. So this is where the interchange meets the Maypen bypass, and it takes you into Maypen via Glenmuir Road. So this highway is to open in a few days, and there are 3 sections that work is being done on, or work has to be done on. One is where the highway merges with the new section merges with the existing section by the Maypen roundabout. This that we're looking at is the second section where they have to pave these ramps, but everything else seems to be finished. And the third section is the toll plaza down by Tollgate that needs to be finished also. But today is the 24th, so we have 7 days, 1 week before the highway is to open. And I'm not sure, but Trans Jamaica Highway and NROC are in some discussions about the toll system, so we'll keep you guys updated on that also. Because if the toll plaza is not operational, I don't think they're going to open the highway. Alright, so if you're going from Maypen and you're going to Kingston, this is the route you would take. You would go up this ramp and get on the highway. And that's the Rio Mino Bridge straight ahead. On the right, that is the China Harbour Engineering Company facility. Massive facility, I must say. But here you can see this is a very nice road, well done by China Harbour Engineering Company. And I must say, the government, the road continues to be built out. Yes, it's moving a bit slow, but every government that comes to power continues the build out. So this is not a political project. This is more a project for Jamaica, because it was started by a previous government, and this government that's in power has continued to build it out. Remember, this road is to go from Kingston to Montego Bay, and now they've reached as far as Mandeville. So that's another ramp on the left. The one on the left will be if you want to go to Mandeville. And you can see these ramps need to be paved. I must say, this is a very impressive road. Well done to China Harbour Engineering Company. This road was a bit easier to build than the Southern Coastal Highway because there is no traffic on this road. The highway is being built along the existing roadway, so they have to contend with the traffic using the road every day. This road was built in a new alignment, it's a new path, so there is no traffic on this section. This between Maple and Mandeville is actually 23 kilometers of highway toll road, but the entire project was 28 kilometers because the project involved 5 kilometers of the Melrose Hill bypass. Now that road had traffic on it, but they blocked off one side. It's still blocked off. You can only use the road in the direction of Porus to Williamsfield. If you're going from Williamsfield to Porus, you have to go over Melrose Hill. And so it was easier to build this road than in terms of traffic on the road than the other highway. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We will keep you guys updated on this project. Probably might make daily videos or videos every other day until the end of August. Now remember I was telling you that the China Harbour Engineering Company's facility was massive. There you can see. Alright, so it looks like it's just the paving left to be done out here, and that can be done in a few days. So this section should definitely be finished by the end of August. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.